Hello and welcome. Today I am sharing a few of my thoughts on sleep apnea and snoring. They both are sleep disorders that can affect the quality of sleep and overall health. Sleep apnea is a serious sleep disorder characterized by repeated interruptions in breathing during sleep. These interruptions are caused by the relaxation of the muscles in the throat, which leads to a narrowing or complete closure of the airway. There are two main types of sleep apnea: obstructive sleep apnea. It occurs when the muscles in the throat relax excessively, blocking the airway. It often leads to loud snoring and is associated with a reduction in oxygen levels in the blood. And the second type is central sleep apnea. This type is less common and occurs when the brain fails to send proper signals to the muscles responsible for breathing. Symptoms of sleep apnea may include loud snoring, choking or gasping for air during sleep, excessive daytime sleepiness, difficulty concentrating, morning headaches, and mood changes. Certain lifestyle modifications can help manage sleep apnea. These include losing weight, avoiding alcohol and sedatives, quitting smoking, and sleeping on your side. In some cases, surgical procedures may be recommended to remove excess tissue or correct structural issues in the throat. Healthcare professional or a sleep specialist. They can diagnose the condition, recommend appropriate treatments, and provide guidance on managing these sleep disorders effectively. Thank you.